this is UG and welcome to another segment of Teki's User Guide. Today I'm going to be walking you through on how to navigate the Teki Solutions platform and interact with your clients as a service provider. Okay, now this segment is going to be in two bit parts. The reason is there are different ways clients can interact with service providers and get things done. Okay, each of these parts of the tutorial, the part 1 and the part 2, each of them is going to cover one of the ways in which you can interact with um, potential clients, okay, when they come to take a solution seeking your service. So it's really going to be simple. Let's just get to it. Okay, first of all, I want us to understand that there are two ways in which clients can request a service on Teki Solutions. Okay, they can either contact you. The second one is you can contact them. Okay, how this works is they can come and use a keyword, just search for what they are looking for, or they search for a specific category, or they search directly for a specific service provider. Maybe they already know the service provider before. Okay, then the other method is maybe they come and then they are searching for a specific service provider and they can't find the person, or they are searching for a specific kind of service and then they can't find it. So what they want to do is they want to make some kind of broadcast. Okay, so they are going to just come to Teki Solution and tell the whole of Teki Solution, okay, I'm looking for a person like this that can do so thing. It's called posting a job. Okay, so they can post a job using these job options here. Now you as a service provider, what you want to do is you want to know these two different ways, how to approach these two different ways when customers come to Teki Solutions to request a service. All right, so this part 1, we're going to be covering the first method. Okay, the first method in which clients can come, they can search for a specific service provider, or they can search for a specific kind of service, or they can use a category. Okay, or they can also search by location. Okay, this is what we are going to be covering in this part 1 of this segment of the user guide. All right, so quickly now I'm just going to initiate a conversation with another account. Okay, so I initiated a conversation with another account as a client, and now as a provider, as I said before, you should understand that how a customer can, or a client can search for a service, which is this first part, is they can either be searching by a keyword, or they maybe search by phrases, or a specific category. They can either want to search by category. There are lots of categories here. Okay, or they want to search by location. They'll just put maybe Benin City, stuff. Yeah, Benin City, Nigeria. Or let me just say I'm looking for a computer engineer. Okay, and then when the search is going to bring out a list of all the computer engineering service providers you have. Okay, so they can click any of them. So the conversation I'm initiating, I'm using Daylight Invention, which is my official service provider account on Teki Solution. Okay, so this is the account I initiated the conversation with. Okay, so the conversation has been initiated somewhere, okay, with another account. When clients come to take a solution and they want to request a specific service, as I said before, they use any of the search options and then they search and then they get maybe to a specific service provider, okay, from their search option, and then they can initiate a conversation with that service provider, to get maybe quotation, details, or more information. Okay, when they do that, now for every service that is requested on Teki Solution, that service provider that was contacted by the client will get an email notification. All right, so when you get an email notification, there will be a link there. You can click on the link and then to take you straight to where the conversation is. All right, but if you're already logged in, you may not be waiting for email notification. You just want to come here and then you click on inbox. All right, so when you click on inbox, it's going to show you that you already have one message here. Okay, and the subject of the message is what a computer repair. Okay, now I know someone needs a computer repair. Okay, so once I open. Let me try to open the message first. Okay, so this is the message now. Good day, sir. Please, my pizza screen is bad and I'd like to change it. How much will it cost? Okay, so now your potential client is asking for a quotation, okay, and probably more information. Maybe now we know that pizza screens are different. Okay, different pc screens come with different prices. Okay, what you want to ask them now is please send good day to you. You want more information like which kind of pc, which manufacturer, and what is this screen size. Okay, now you're going to send this message and then you wait for a response from your client. All right. Okay, so your client has responded. Okay, HP 15 inches. Now you know that HP 15 inches whether it's probably just a regular HP 15 inches. Okay, and now you want to give this person a quote, say 2000. It's not actually 2000, but just put it like that. Okay, now when you put this and then you're going to send it back to the person. Okay, now if the person is maybe there's no room for negotiations, it's just regular price, you can wait for the person to respond back. So your client has replied to your message saying that okay, it's fine. If for instance the stuff is laundry and then you're going to the allocation to get the laundry, maybe you want to request the allocation. Okay, okay, so you want to send this now. When you send this, uh, you already come to an agreement with the person. Okay, maybe the person sends the location and then you're okay with it. Now you're going to give your client the permission to make payment. What you want to do is you want to send this person a quotation now. Okay, so you're going to click this send payment link button. All right, now what this payment link is kind of really simple. What you want to do is service name is like you're creating an invoice now. Okay, and you're sending the person a quotation or a bill that they are going to pay. Okay, so first of all you want to put the service name, say HP uh, HP laptop screen change, screen repair or stuff like that. You put that, then the service duration, how long is this thing going to take, maybe in days. Okay, so maybe just 1 day. It's kind of really simple, it's even less than a day. Then the service price you agreed on is 2000 naira, right? Okay, so you are going to put that, and when you're going to start it, to this second, just duplicate it there. The service name is HP laptop repair. The duration of the service is a day. The amount is 2000 naira, and then the date that you're going to start it is on 2nd of October. All right, so this thing, it could be anything. Okay, it could be electrical engineering. Okay, you're getting a contract to say wire house. It could be a full architectural project. Okay, so it could be anything. The duration of the project is going to depend on the nature of the project. Okay, so if now you're sending this person the quotation, how the service is going to look like. But since it's just laptop repair, we're going to stick with just 1 day. All right, so send this link to your client. They are going to get it, and now you're giving them permission to make payment. So yeah, your message has been sent. What you want to do now. Okay, so as you can see, you've sent your quotes, and you want to know if your client has made the payment. Okay, so you want to let's reload this. Okay, so the quote you sent is now showing paid. All right, so now you know that your client has made payment. So from there you can proceed to doing your the job. Let's just skip straight to you have completed the job now. Now the way Teki Solutions work is the both of you have to agree and tell Teki Solutions that you have completed a transaction before a service provider can get paid. All right, so you want to validate your own part of the transaction. You want to tell Teki Solutions that you've completed the job. What you do is you want to come to transactions and payments. You just open that in a new tab. Okay, so your transaction and payments opens up, and you want to come to orders. All right, now your orders, you're going to click that, and so it's going to open a list of all your active orders. All right, so you come to, you have to check this box that's behind this order number, which is 5389 again, and then you're going to come here and change the status from on hold, which it was before, and change it to completed, and then you apply the changes. Yeah. So order status has been completed. Okay, so you have changed your order status from on hold to completed. Now all you have to do is wait for your client to do the same thing on the other end to let you know that you have completed the job, right? Okay, so what you want to do next is you want to come to payments. All right, you're going to click on withdrawals. So when you click on withdrawals, it's going to open all your orders, okay, that has been completed, that are withdrawable. And as you can see, your client has done the same thing on the other end and validated the job, that you have completed the job. So what you want to do now is you want to take this very one. There could be a lot of them, maybe even up to 10. You can have up to 10, 20, 15, 3 orders at a time that you've completed, and you want to just make the withdrawal. So what you want to do is you just come to this place and click everything. All right, or you just be ticking them one after the other. Okay, now after doing that, you're just going to tick this one. You're about to place withdrawal for this very order now, which is this very laptop repair job you just completed, and then you're going to click on request withdrawal. Okay, see, it's saying that no payment method has been selected. All right, this is for the first time. Now you're just trying to place order for the first time, and you didn't set the payment method. What the payment method is when you're requesting this withdrawal, there has to be somewhere you want Teki to send the money to. Is it directly to your bank account, or is it into your PayPal account? All right, so I'm going to quickly show you how to set that up. It doesn't really take much time. All Teki just requires is your billing details. So what you want to do is you come to store settings, all right, and you're going to click on billing. So when you click on billing, it's here now. Now it's asking payment method you want to use. All right, which payment method do you want every payment to be made to that very service provider account that you created with Teki? Okay, so if you click this drop box here, you're going to see there are two options: your PayPal and the direct bank. Okay, do you want to pay to your bank account, or do you want to be paid to your PayPal account? Okay, so you can choose the PayPal account, and all it's going to request for is that your PayPal email address. Okay, you put your PayPal email address, that's John Doe 523. Okay, I already have one here. Or you can choose direct bank. Okay, what this one is going to request for is just your bank details. Okay, so you're choosing direct bank, account type, savings account, the name of the bank, Bank of Nigeria, account holder's name, which is my name at this point, which is John Doe, and then the account number. After doing that, so I'm just going to choose this direct bank. I'm just going to choose this direct bank, and then I'll hit save. So I've successfully selected a payment. I have successfully selected a payment method, right? So now I want to make withdrawal for that my transaction that I just made, the laptop repair. I want to collect my money now. I just come to payment, and I'm going to click on withdrawal. Okay, when you click on this withdrawal, it's going to bring out a list of all the orders that I have been completed. Okay, that even both I and my clients have marked as completed on both our ends. All right, because that's the only condition that Teki will grant any withdrawal request. You must have validated your order, and your client must also validate their own orders. Do you understand? So without the both of you, if a client validates an order and you didn't validate it, so long as, now the reason why we are doing validation of orders from for the safety of clients. Okay, so immediately a client validates an order, you can make withdrawal whenever you like. Okay, so this is the order number 5389. So you want to make withdrawal for it, all you have to do is just tick the checkbox beside it, and there could be a lot of them, maybe 10, maybe 5, maybe 3, maybe even 20. Okay, and you can just tick all of them. Okay, and then you click request withdrawal. Let's see how that goes now, if it works. Okay, it's work. As you can see, it's working. It said your withdrawal request has been submitted to the admin successfully, and blah 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 blah. Very soon you get your payment. All right, so when the withdrawal request has been received, in no time you will receive your payment. Okay, so that is all for how you engage in transactions and taking jobs on Teki Solution for when customers come directly to you via the Teki platform. Okay, next part we are going to be talking on how you can apply for a job in case a customer does not come directly to you. They just post a job on Teki Solution. Okay, thank you very much for joining us on this segment. My name is UG. Once again, kindly hit on the subscribe button down there to get notifications for more tutorial videos on how to navigate the Teki platform. Do have a nice day.